Understanding to the rear march in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, to the rear march. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a window into the rich and varied usage of English in different contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone interested in military terms, this video will surely add something valuable to your English vocabulary. Let's march into the details. To the rear march is a phrase deeply rooted in military jargon. It's a command used in drill and ceremonies, primarily within the armed forces. This phrase instructs the unit to turn around and march in the opposite direction. It's crucial to understand that this is more than just a command. It's part of a formal, structured language used in military training to ensure clear, unambiguous communication in various situations. Let's dissect to the rear march. To the rear implies a direction. In military terms, it means to turn around, facing the back. March is a verb commonly used in military contexts, meaning to walk in a steady and rhythmic manner, often in synchronization with others. When combined, these terms form a directive to turn and move in the opposite direction in a coordinated march. While primarily a military term, to the rear march can sometimes be found in everyday language, often metaphorically. For example, in a business meeting, someone might say, "Let's do a to the rear march on this strategy," implying a need to reassess and change direction in planning. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating its occasional, albeit less formal, use outside military contexts. In addition to its literal meaning, to the rear march holds cultural significance. It reflects the discipline, order, and precision valued in the military. Recognizing such phrases enhances our understanding of how language shapes and is shaped by cultural and institutional practices. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, to the rear march. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you insight into the fascinating way language intersects with culture and context. Keep learning and keep marching forward in your English language journey. See you in the next video.